Hi, this is a short video on how to use the art of building models to analyze medical decisions. As decision modeling is commonly used for business analysis, we will start by building a business model for better understanding. Imagine you want to start a business. You can either choose to open a lemonade stand or a candy shop. With the candy shop, you will earn $100, and with the lemonade stand, you will earn $90. Which is the best choice? Of course, the candy shop. Now, let's take the story a step further. What if the candy shop had a 50% chance of success and a 50% chance of failure? And by success, meaning you will earn $100, and by failure, meaning you will lose $30. And what if the lemonade stand also had a 50% chance of success and a 50% chance of failure? But in this case, if you fail, you will lose only $10. Now, what's the best choice? Well, now it looks more complicated, but actually it is very simple. You will use a simple formula like this: 50% chance of success times $100 earned if succeeded, plus 50% chance of failure times the loss or negative $30. And we will get a figure that we call an expected value. And then we do the same thing for the lemonade stand. 50% chance of success times $90 plus 50% chance of failure times the loss or negative $10, and we will get an expected value of 40. Which one would you choose? You would choose the one with the higher expected value, in this case, the lemonade stand. What do I mean by expected value? Does it mean that if you do the lemonade project, you will earn $40? No. It means that if you did identical lemonade projects very many times in exactly the same situation, then the average earning will probably be $40 per time. Now, what if this was a medical situation instead of a business case? Let's pretend that your 4-year-old daughter has leukemia. You can either choose to do a bone marrow transplant or chemotherapy. The bone marrow transplant has a 70% chance of cure and a 30% risk of death. The chemotherapy has a 45% chance of cure and a 5% risk of death initially, and a 50% chance of relapse. Would you be comfortable to make a decision if the options were presented in the decision tree? But wait! What if the decision tree could also present what could happen in 5 years? Would you be able to choose a treatment for your daughter?